Do you go to the market today? Let's bring English with you to every shop, every seller, and every smile. We'll practice 50 real-life sentences in English slowly, clearly, and kindly. Perfect for beginners, perfect for you. Welcome to the English podcast with Lina. Here, English feels like home. Soft, simple, and part of your life. Hi, I'm Lina. Thank you for being here with me today. This episode is special. We're going shopping at the market. You'll learn 50 common English sentences you can use when buying fruit, asking for price, talking to a seller, and more. No stress, just gentle learning with a smile. Let's walk together through the market in English. I go to the market. I bring my shopping bag. I walk past the fruit stalls. I see fresh apples. I ask for the price. How much are the apples? They are $2 per kilo. I take 1 kilo, please. The seller puts them in a bag. I pay with cash. I see bananas and oranges. I smell the fresh mangoes. The tomatoes look red and ripe. I pick up 3 onions. I weigh the potatoes. I need some carrots. I buy some green beans. I choose a watermelon. I look for fresh herbs. I buy some mint and basil. I walk to the meat section. I buy some chicken. I ask for a small fish. The seller wraps the meat. I ask for less salt. I taste a piece of cheese. I see jars of honey. I check the price again. I buy 1 bottle of milk. I buy a carton of eggs. I find some fresh bread. I add yogurt to my bag. I look at the price board. The price is fair today. I ask for a plastic bag. I bring my own bag. I get some rice and beans. I choose brown rice. I pay and say thank you. I smile at the seller. The market is busy today. I hear people talking. I walk past the flower shop. I stop to smell the roses. I buy a small plant. I find my friend at a stall. We talk for a minute. I help her carry her bag. We walk home together. I put the food on the table. I feel happy after the market. What's your favorite thing to buy at the market? Type 1 word below, just one, and share it with me. And that's it. 50 little sentences full of life. Each one is small, but each one brings you closer to fluency. Today you didn't just learn English. You practiced real English in a real place, the market. Come back tomorrow. We'll visit another place together. The kitchen, the park, the coffee shop. Anywhere you live, English can live too. Before you go, tell me, which sentence made you smile today? Just type the number 1 to 50. It helps me know what works best for you. Thank you for learning with me. See you in the next episode of the English podcast with Lina. Bye for now.